Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here for many reasons. One, because it is Stitch Fix Day, and for those of you who have watched me, which is now ancient history, basically, the last time I think I made a video was in November, or was it January? I don't know. At any rate, this is the first time, and I am making one for various reasons. One is I have some time right now, as most of you probably do across the country. So before I jump in here, I just wanted to say a few words about what's going on, and I really just want to pray for everyone out there. So if any of you have any specific prayer requests, something that you want to send to me that I can specifically pray for you about, that would be great, because it's really hard to want to do things or feel like you want to help when you're sort of stuck at home. Watson has not been feeling the best today. What is this? What is it? Whose toy is that? I asked this time for some things. I'm hoping that we can have a family picture at some time, and so I wanted to have things in a specific color scheme for that. But this shirt is from Stitch Fix. I just bought it, and I don't know what brand, but I will tell you later. And I'm sorry for the sounds you are hearing, which is Watson's new toy turtle. So, Watsy, do you have to do that? Chew on the other part. Chew right there. Okay. Okay. I can't. Okay. All right. So here is the first shirt, which I'm very happy. I did peek as always, so I saw this online. This is a Michael Stars shirt, the Verna Dolman sleeve knit top in small, off-white. So this is a really cute shirt, and I do love that this does fall exactly within the color scheme I asked for. Dolmans don't always work on me, and this shirt is a little bit expensive, if I'm not mistaken. I've seen it before, but I do like it, and I will try it on. Okay, next, I saw this, and I hope it's cute. This is by Blank NYC, and I don't know what it's called, the Peyton Faux Suede Open Drape Jacket. So, again, I really like the color of this one because it goes along with what I was looking for, plus it's neutral, which I love. I don't love these open drapes. They tend to make me look big, but I'm going to try this one on because I do really like the color. So next is a sweater, which really right now, living in Minnesota, I have to say I don't want a sweater. I just don't. But I probably will have a need for one, and I definitely can use it about 9 months out of the year. So this is a sweater by Madewell. Ready? Going back to your nap. This is the Clover Marled Pullover in burnt orange. So if you can kind of see that. It's a little bit of a high-low, so you can see the front is slightly higher than the back. But it's not a long shirt, which I love. I like the length of this shirt. The color is burnt orange, but it also has some, I don't know if you can see, like blue and green in there. So yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if that's a good color, or not, but I do like this, and it's something that I probably would use even though I don't want it, if you understand why. This is a jumpsuit, and it is by someone, Gal Meets Glam, and it is the Alina Lace Back Detail Knit Jumpsuit in, wait, is it knit? Let's just double check that. No, back detail, no knit. Because it's clearly not knit. So yeah, we will see how this looks. I can say that at least right now I do not have an occasion to wear this. And the color seems like it would be a little better in winter, but I don't know. We'll see. Try that one on. Last but not least, there's some shoes in here, and I love shoes, so it's always good to get shoes. And of course, I like the new little shoe bags. These are, okay, anyway, here's what they are. Looks like they are by Dolce Vita, and this is what they look like. There's some shoes, and I will try them on. They're gray. I can't right now. Before I try on, I wanted to share who my stylist is, because she deserves a lot of credit, and I have not been consistent in sharing this. And I haven't had a consistent stylist for a while. Anyway, it's Abby, and I think she's been styling me maybe for the last 4 times, and she's done a great job. So Abby styled me again, and She did an excellent job, which I think I already said. So I'm gonna go. Okay, here is the Dolman top by Michael Kors, and this is what it looks like. So it is, you know, your typical sort of batwing feel. It fits this way. The only thing I don't love is, like, can you see in that side? It feels like you can see. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about that. And I'm not exactly sure. So this is what it looks like. Again, it's just a typical Dolman, but it does have kind of this boat neck top, and the sleeves go down to here. But I'm not sure that this color is the best on me. I'm not sure. I know that white is not. This is off-white. Some off-whites work. So just let me know your thoughts on that part of it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And I would probably not wear it with these. I would probably wear it with sweatpants right now. But on to the next. Okay, so here is the sweater by Madewell, and it's actually pretty cute, and it fits well. I like it. Again, you can see it has this, like, higher in the front, lower in the back. That's how it fits in the back. Again, the colors are kind of unique. I don't know if you can really see them, but the kind of the blue and the light green in there. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Also, since I have not filmed a few fixes, I did get these boots. These are DV8 boots in one of my prior fixes, and I like them quite a bit. So anyway, that's what this shirt looks like. This sweater looks like, and wait, yes. On to the next. Okay. This is a twofer. So first is the jacket. This is by Blank NYC, and again, it's this open drapey front jacket, and it fits me a little better than I thought. I just have to be really careful because I buy things that I'm not necessarily going to use, and this isn't a style I normally like, but as you can see, it fits pretty well. So it is a little bit shorter in the back. It does have pockets, which I like. That's really nice. It's just open and flowy, and it's very, very thin material, like really, really thin sweat. Okay, so anyway, these are the shoes, and okay, I'm gonna try to balance better. These are the shoes, and they're by Dolce Vita, and they're actually pretty comfortable. Here's the shoes. I will share the prices with you on everything. And one last item to try on. Okay, I probably look really short because here is the Gal Meets Glam jumpsuit, and it's really cute, but I have absolutely, okay, you can see the lace back. It has this bow. I cannot find any shoes to wear with this. There's not one pair of shoes in my closet that looks good with this. I used to have a pair of nude heels. I don't, so maybe those would work, but that's a concern for me. So again, very cute. The color is nice as well. Has just this weird waistband here. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's actually very, very cute. And if I had some place to wear something like this in the foreseeable future, I would most likely buy it, but it's unlikely that I will. And the shoe problem is a real issue. All right, I'll be back. So let's see what we got. I thought this was a pretty fun fix. Also, because right now our return time is extended, I will have more time to actually get your feedback on what I keep this time. So I'm actually really excited because I need that feedback. Okay, so let's jump right in on prices. So the jumpsuit, which I tried on, the Gal Meets Glam, that's in dark green. That one is $158. So that is really cute. And like I said, if I had an occasion to wear that too, I think it's really pretty. So I probably will not be getting that one. The next one is the Madewell, the marled pullover, clover marled pullover in burnt orange, $84. So this is also kind of a spendy sweater. Again, it's comfy and nice. I like the color, and I will get much more use out of it than I want to. So I will consider that one, but yeah, that one is $84, so not inexpensive. Okay, the next thing on here are the Dolce Vita wedges. These are Pam Suede Slide Wedge in gray. These are $95, so also not inexpensive, but they fit really well. They fit very well and are comfortable, and I think I will get use out of them. I just have to decide if it's $95 worth of use, especially since I'm probably not buying everything. Okay, so then what's the next thing on here? Okay, that Michael Stars top in the off-white, the Dolman. This one is $88. So again, it's cute, but I'm not sure I'm going to spend, well, I'm not going to spend $88 on it. I'm not sure it's my best fit anyway, so that's an easy choice. And last but not least is this blank NYC open drape jacket in taupe. This is a small and it's $88. So that is this one. So I would love to hear your feedback on everything. Yeah, it's kind of different nowadays to kind of decide what you want and what you need. I've only worn elastic waisted pants for a week and I feel like I'm getting comfortable in them. And also, I don't know if anyone else is experiencing this, but in our house we've been eating a lot more. So yeah, so for everyone that is still watching after all of that, I want to give you the prices because I didn't even tell you what they were. This fix is $513. Wow. The buy all discount is $128.25, so it would be $384.75. And to be fair, honestly, to get a jumpsuit, a sweater, a jacket, a fancy top, and shoes, that's really not that bad of a price. But for me right now, I'm going to have to make some choices. So on the top of my list right now are probably the sweater and the shoes, but I would love your feedback on everything. Thank you so much for listening. I am so sorry Watson was not fully participating this time. He's very tired. Like I mentioned, we've been having a lot of walks. I feel the same way.